Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the too many failed attempts error when creating a Yahoo email account. Let's begin. If you see this error, Yahoo often imposes a cooldown period between 12 to 24 hours after too many sign-up attempts. What you can do is simply wait it out, or you can go to your browser. For example, I have in here Chrome. Click on the three dots over here, go to delete browsing history. From here, you have your browsing history, cookies and other site data, cache images and files. Just to make it simple, make sure to select all three, and then you have the option to choose all time. So to make it simple again, we will just choose last 24 hours, right? Then simply click on delete data. If clearing data doesn't work, you can simply switch browsers. If you're using Chrome, you can go to Firefox or Brave browser. Okay. You can try to sign up from here. And another clever way is to go to a private or incognito window. So you can simply click or press Control Shift N on Chrome and then try to sign up from there. So I've been here, going to go incognito window. And right over here, I have incognito mode. Try to see if you can sign up from here. If not, then you actually need to wait for 12 to 24 hours. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.